Hey boys and girls, a few weeks ago I told you that good readers and writers have to first of all be good listeners. Today we are going to be good listeners and we are going to count the number of syllables that there are in a word. I can clap to count the syllables or the number of beats in a word. The first thing I have to do is to look at my word and listen to what it sounds like. So on the screen I have a picture of an airplane. So I'm going to clap that out as I say that word, airplane. Here I go. Airplane. The word airplane has two syllables. Do that with me. Let's say the word airplane, and now let's clap it out as we say it. Airplane. There are two beats or two syllables in the word airplane. Our next picture is a picture of a sun. Say that word with me and let's clap out the syllables in the word sun. You ready? Here we go. Sun. Sun is a word that has one syllable. It has one beat in that word. Let's try the next one. We see a picture of a man. Let's clap out our word as we say the word man. You ready? Here we go. Man. How many syllables did the word man have? It had one because we clapped one time. Our next picture is a picture of a sailboat. Let's say the word sailboat and clap out our syllables. You ready? Here we go. Sailboat. How many syllables are in sailboat? There are two syllables in sailboat. On this page, we have a picture of a rainbow. Let's say that word and count out our syllables. Ready? Rainbow. How many syllables are in that word? That's right, there are two. Something that we may like to eat, popcorn. Let's say our word and clap out our syllables. You ready? Here we go. Popcorn. How many syllables? That's right, there are two syllables. Our last picture is a hat. Let's count out our syllables as we say the word. You ready? Here we go. Hat. How many syllables? There is one syllable in the word hat. Good job, boys and girls.